Hey, welcome back to 164 Scale Racing. Today we got the all exclusive Hot Wheels Amazon Black Box Case H. I'm going to open up and show you. Get it from Amazon. 16 cars. Let's see what we got. First up, we got the cool Combi. Got the big old moon eyes on it. Dark gray. Got the wheelie bars. And we got the Batman Forever. It's also in a cool dark gray. Then we got the Lamborghini Scion FKP 37. Beautiful bright orange. Real nice looking car. Pretty bright orange color. Then we got the Dodge Charger tuned off the Fast and Furious. Then we got the BMW i8 Roadster. Also in a lighter color gray. And we got the Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. I think they got these out in different colors. Pretty black with gold on the bottom. It's a nice looking casting. Then we got the Pagani Zonda R. It comes in all different colors. Here's a pretty purple color. Pretty sweet looking car. Then we got a 71 Plymouth GTX. These old Dodges has always been one of my favorites. Pretty orange and black. Got the 440 up on the hood sign. And we got HW4 track. It's one of the Hot Wheels 55 race cars. And we got the Cloak and Dagger. Got all kinds of skulls on it. Kind of an odd looking car, but then kind of pretty. Got a clear bottom on it. White wheels. Then we got the Bone Shaker. It's pretty maroon color red. We got it in all different colors. Team Hot Wheels. And we got the Twin Duction. Also in a pretty gray color. It's a pretty sweet looking car. At least I think so. Twin Duction. Next, we got the Jaguar IPC trophy. The Jaguar on the side of him. Pretty neat looking car. Then we got the Fast Felion. Fast Felion. Then we got a Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Grand Sport Roadster Corvette. Pretty nice looking. It's also in a gray color. Then we got one of my favorites, 70 Dodge Power Wagon. I've always liked these trucks. Got the mud on the tires. Real nice. Nice looking truck. But anyway, that's the Hot Wheels Amazon box exclusive H case. Hope you enjoyed the little review. Check out my other videos at 1/64 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. We've got more coming. We'll see you later. Thank you. Bye.